Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a beard in the Face app in 2026. Do you want to see yourself clean shaven again? The Face app makes it easy to remove your beard digitally, and here's how to exactly to do it by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Face app application. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, just by searching for the Face app. And then you're gonna choose the one with FaceApp Technology LCD, developed by FaceApp Technology LCD. Now once you download and install the application, you're gonna open it and give it access to your gallery. Once you give it an access to your gallery, you're gonna go to the beard. After uploading the photo, you're gonna choose a photo to upload. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. We're gonna choose from these options. Then you're gonna see in the bottom toolbar, you're gonna see skin, sizes, hairstyles, hair colors, smiles, features, and beards. You're gonna select beard. And here you're gonna see a lot of beard styles. As you can see here, you're gonna select the clean shave or remove option. As you can see, the shaved option is for premium users only. So consider buying a premium version of the Face app. Now, after that, you're gonna select it and apply the effect, and then you can save your edited photo. Now, use a well-lit photo and avoid heavy shadows. Also compare before and after. Removing a beard digitally is quick and helpful. Use it to test different looks easily, and if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.